Hi, this is Jeff Schultz with Model Railroad Hobbyist Magazine here at the National Train Show 2010 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I'm here with Larry Larson of the NCE Corporation, and Larry's going to show us some of their newest products.
Hi, Jeff.
Hi there.
Pleasure. Thanks for coming by. The first we'd like to introduce to people is something that's been waited for a long time. It is a small, what we call an engineer's cab or throttle, but it has an LED display on it. So it's the best of both worlds. The large cab has the large LCD, and the smaller cabs had no indication at all. So everyone's been wanting a smaller cab, a one-hand operation cab with an indicator that says what train you've got, what accessory you've thrown, and to also have multiple recalls, more trains that you can call up in the operation of your locomotives.
All right, thank you.
All right, you're quite welcome.